started to talk about the free workshop.
Yep.
Go to dmvfreeworkshop.com. That's dmvfreeworkshop.com. So Marcus, I wanted you to give them a little bit of recap, kind of what they can expect it from a practical standpoint.
At the free workshop, man, it's a high, I don't even want to say high level, man, because we get high level, low key, deep dive, and we just cram. It's almost like a Investing for Dummies book in 2 hours.
Cliff Notes.
Cliff Notes. Cliff Notes. I like Cliff Notes. Well, actually, I before studied a book called The 11th Hour. I don't know if you ever heard of that. It's like Cliff Notes, but it's a book called The 11th Hour. For anything you ever want to study and pass the test for, it's called The 11th Hour. It's like the Cliff Notes on steroids. That'll teach you everything you need to know about the subject at your 11th hour. It's like the 11th hour of real estate investing in the DC area. And that's what we're going to give you for free. And you can't beat it. I mean, I know you can go to, you see all these other events. Like I'm always up late night watching TV and, always listen to the radio. You hear all these other events, which are good. They teach you real estate investing from a broad scope all over the area, all over the nation, maybe all over the world. We're going to teach you what to do here, right here in your own backyard. We live here, we invest here. Right here in the nation's capital, Maryland, Virginia, outline areas of how to apply the knowledge that we've gained over the years and the lessons we've learned for free.
So many lessons.
We learn more and more every day. I think we learned some more this morning.
Every day this morning.
I think we learned some more this morning. And so, we want you to come out. You see myself, Reggie, Tierra, Walter, some of the people we've had on, Carl, you just run into us. And then we just share with you some of the ways to really get into this business and sustain and survive and thrive over the years and, build this fortune with your family, man. It's just a great thing, from buying homes, which are rental properties, from flipping, which are, rehab opportunities, to private lending, from self-directed IRAs to rolling over 401ks, and even you government employees. It's a huge government area and military area. You'd be surprised what you can do with your retirement savings. There's things that people don't tell you. And we tell you what you can do with your money or even other people's money, and even how to approach other people. That's the wild thing over the years that I've learned, especially with Reggie. Reggie ain't afraid to ask anybody for some money. He's almost like that guy outside of CVS just asking. It's crazy. Like how he's a dude with all the money, but asks everybody else for some money. But he ain't afraid. And it's like it's like you gotta be trained. And it's one thing I'm gonna talk to Tierra about, making sure she talks about that and raising that private money. Once you get comfortable doing it, like you're not afraid to ask anybody, like, let me get $1. Let me get $1. I'm gonna take that $1, put it in this house, and return it into $2. And you're like, wow, $1 turned into $2. That's something cool, because you could take, because that other $1 you leave to your kids, and that's a beautiful thing. So that's what we're looking at for the free workshop, man. It's stuff coming soon, and shoot, next week we got this, the first one. So
all over the Beltway.
All over the place. From VA to Greenbelt, Bethesda, Ox Hill, Silver Spring, right here in the studio. Right here in the studio. You never, and that's the beauty. Right here in the studio, you never know who you're gonna meet. You might get to meet Steve, the man, the myth, the legend. My man, Steve. You never know who you're gonna meet. So definitely, we want you guys to come out and participate.
Yeah, so again, go to dmvfreeworkshop.com. That's dmvfreeworkshop.com. Or you can call 301-795-4272, 301-795-4272, and it'll be option one in the menu. And as always, you can text Invest Here to 38470. That's the word Invest Here, one word, Invest Here, to 38470 to get plugged in about the free workshop and everything else that we have coming up. In regards to the free workshop, I think I'm going to be at the majority of them. You're definitely going to be at the ones on the 17th.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm going to be with Alice Cooper looking at them auction results, trying to get plugged in with them. And it's crazy, man. You just never know. Like with Alice Cooper, like that was a thing where we were looking at different exit strategies for a couple of properties.
Yep.
And we actually bought a property from Alice Cooper years and years and years ago.
Years ago.
And we looking to sell that same property up in Baltimore City. and we don't really have a presence up there. So reach out to them, and then one thing led to another. You're actually talking to people with the last name Cooper, so you see they got a family business, legacy, and so it's just amazing, man. It's just amazing the people you meet in this business. It's amazing how many different ways there are to be successful in this business. Anyway, we'll be right back. This is Reggie Riley, Marcus Thomas, Capital Invest, DMV Investment Opportunities. We'll be right back.